Hello my little dragons. Today we are going to make carrot cake, one of my favorites. First, you're going to need to sift 2½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1¼ teaspoons of baking powder, 2 large teaspoons of cinnamon, and ½ teaspoon of salt. And then you sift. Set aside your dry ingredients and get a bowl for your wet ingredients, to which you add 2 cups of sugar, 4 large eggs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we move to the stand mixer and mix. Once it is a nice golden color, we're going to add our dry ingredients. At this point, the batter looks pretty thick. Don't freak out, we still have more ingredients to go, like 2 cups of carrots. Drain the liquid from an 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Add the pineapple to the batter and set aside the liquid for now. And optional is 1 cup of chopped walnuts. If you can have them, I would strongly recommend them. Add in the walnuts and mix. Add in enough of the pineapple liquid until it comes out like this. Next, we prepare 2 8-inch pans. Cut out parchment circles for the bottoms. Slightly grease the bottom. Place the parchment paper circles in it. Then grease and flour the sides. Evenly pour the batter between both pans. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool, frost, and enjoy!